I want to show you the power of Adobe Premiere Pro by showing you how, with just a few clicks, you can change shaky, handheld DSLR style footage into smooth, buttery, or completely still, no motion video. Again, with just a few clicks. So let's dive into Premiere Pro, download the bride and groom shaky video file that I've included in this lesson, import it into Adobe Premiere Pro just like we learned last lesson, and then simply click that video clip and drag it onto this new item button. It's the one that looks like a post-it note. That creates a new timeline, a new sequence, which is basically a new video project or a video timeline within this project with your clip on it. We'll dive into this in the next section about all the sequence settings and stuff like that, so don't worry about that for now. I just want to show you how to stabilize this shaky footage. Go to your Effects tab. If you don't see that, go up to Window, Effects, and type in Warp into the search bar. You'll see two effects. Click the Warp Stabilizer effect and drag it onto the video clip in your timeline. It's going to start analyzing, and you'll see up in your Effects Controls window that pops up all these controls for different effects or different aspects of this clip. The one that we added is called Warp Stabilizer, and you'll see that it's starting to go through and analyze this clip. What it's doing is looking at it and seeing how can it make it smooth or stable. Once it's done, it will stabilize and you can play through it, and you can see that it already has created a very smooth version of this video clip, and I actually like that, so you might want to leave it at that. Or you can click from this result drop down and go from smooth motion to no motion. It's going to restabilize it. It might have to zoom in so that it can actually make it stable, and then play through it again, and you can see that it now is completely still. If I delete this, or if I turn this effect off by clicking the Effects Off button right there to the left of the effects name in the Effects Controls window, you can see shaky, turn it on, completely still. And that is the power of Adobe Premiere Pro. And we're going to be going through so many more cool effects and tricks like that will take your video editing skills from beginner to advanced. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.